Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove your EBT card from Kroger. While we're setting up your Snap EBT card for Kroger, did you know you can also use your Snap EBT card on Amazon for groceries and other essentials? I've included a link in the description where you can sign up and start using it right away. To start, open the website DoorDash.com. Then click on Sign In. A drop-down list will then appear. Click again on the Sign In button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the top right part of the page. Click on the profile icon. A drop-down list will then appear. On the drop-down list is an option for My Account. Click on My Account. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Wallet. Click on Wallet. Under the My Wallet section, you will see your Snap EBT card. To proceed, click on Delete. It will then ask if you're sure to delete this card. To confirm, click again on the Delete button. And now your card has been removed. That's how you remove your EBT card from Kroger. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.